for any reason you don't like banana bread, or perhaps you're tired of the random ones you are used to, I guarantee you that this recipe is going to change your mind. It's easy to make, very versatile, and it has enhanced perfect flavors. In a bowl, you're going to add in your egg and sugar. Afterwards, you're going to add in, I used two sugar, both brown sugar and white sugar here. You're going to mix that in order to combine very, very well and add in flavor afterwards. I went in with my oil and afterwards with milk. This is the wet ingredient, which is the base of your recipe. You need to mix it very well. In another bowl, you're going to sift all of your dry ingredient, which is your cocoa powder, your all-purpose flour. Like, you have to use all-purpose flour or plain flour here. Afterwards, you're going to sift that into a separate bowl and add in your baking soda. It is now time to combine everything together. As we are doing that, if you're new here, I am Fawaz the Cake Boy, a skilled baker, mastered cakepreneur, and an energetic content creator. I drop recipes like this every single week, so do well to subscribe to my channel. It will go a long way. Look at the butter here. It needs to be very, very thick, smooth like this. This is the consistency we want to go for. Can you see? Afterwards, you're going to get your mashed bananas. It's just normal. All recipes, all descriptions, or all measurements will be dropped below. Do well to check it out, guys. After that, you're gonna fold it in. You should not whisk rigorously at this point because you don't want to lose all of the hair you've incorporated at the beginning of the recipe. You're gonna add in your dark chocolate chips in order, just to enhance the chocolatey flavor in this banana cake. Afterwards, you're gonna scoop it into your bowl. You can use any pan of choice. I just wanted to use this as per this video. Afterwards, guys, after you scoop into your baking pan, I topped with coconut chips and also with white milk chocolate chips. Yes. Afterwards, when that is done, this is the most interesting part in this video. After that, you're gonna bake on medium heat for 35 minutes, and voila, guys, that is your banana bread ready. This cake is actually giving what it is meant to give. Drop a comment below on another recipe you'd love me to share, and make sure you tag me on Instagram in case you recreate this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you.